As you're probably wondering, what in the world am I doing? I'm actually relieving the knots in my neck from all the stress that comes with this job. You wouldn't believe what just happened. Hold on. Oh, much better. Thank you to my wife for such a beautiful gift. So we just received a call from our driver and somebody hit him at the truck stop. All right, let's have a look at these images. All right, so as you can see, our tarps got destroyed, okay? Somebody basically backed into them and then continued reversing. The trailer was okay, the flatbed was okay, but the Connestoga was ripped in 2 different places. Now, our trailer is loaded, okay? So we loaded up in Chicago. Driver went to the truck stop to fill up, and he got caught by another driver while he was parked. So we have one of 3 options. Number 1 is we call the customer and tell them, hey, listen, we're really sorry. You know, we got to go do the repairs. The repairs are going to take 3, 4, 5 days. Who knows how long it's going to be, whether they have the parts, they don't have the parts, whether they have the tarp or don't have the tarp, and then we can come out all the way to Toronto, to the GTA to do a delivery. That's option number 1. Option number 2 I have is roll up the entire Connestoga, strap it in the front, then I gotta go buy tarps, tarp the entire load, have the driver tarp the entire load, take the entire load to Toronto, get it offloaded, then take the trailer to Hamilton, to Verduyn to get it fixed, and then I gotta go from the GTA back to Verduyn and Hamilton and to get it picked up. Or option number 3, which is what I did. So we have connections with warehouses in Chicago. We went to Chicago, we went to a warehouse, got the product offloaded with the permission of our customer. Customer allowed us to offload it. They've been using us for years for this product on Connestogas. So we offloaded the entire product in a warehouse, went to Gary, Indiana. Luckily for us, Verduyn Tarps has 4 locations. Gary, Indiana being the closest one that was only 30 miles away. Then they have one in Detroit, Michigan, and then another one in Hamilton and in Woodstock, Ontario. So they have 2 locations in the US, 2 locations in Canada. Now we use them for all of our Connestogas, right? So we buy the flatbeds, we install the Connestogas on them, and then we do flatbed loads with a higher rate per mile. We basically told the driver to offload the product, take that roll tight, roll it up to the front, take it to Gary, Indiana. We're gonna drop it off over there. Then we're gonna go back to Chicago. We're going to pick up another roll tight, a Connestoga. We're gonna get the product loaded on the other Connestoga, and then we're going to be in Toronto. Instead of 9 a.m., we'll probably end up being there after lunchtime. So this is probably gonna be a delay of at least 4 to 5 hours. All right, so the one thing that I love about these roll tights, or why we decided to go with roll tights here in our fleet, or why we decided to go with Connestogas here in our fleet, is because number 1, we have here in our fleet probably an older group of drivers that are probably between 55 to 65. Some of them are even 70. We have one driver that's actually 72, and they are still running in our flatbed division, driving Connestogas. Now, if we had the regular flatbeds, then we probably, half of our drivers would probably not stay with us because it's very, very labor intensive for older men. So when we have the Connestogas, it's a lot easier to do flatbed loads, and it's much easier to find drivers for the flatbed division. Now, most of our customers, they don't really care whether it's on a flatbed or on a Connestoga. They actually prefer the Connestoga over the flatbed. So that's kind of the image that we've built for ourselves for ET Transport. All of them are 102 wide. That's what I love about these Connestogas. They're 102 wide. I can literally load something that's 102 and still get the Connestoga to close properly. Now the question is, would you have done what I did with the freight? If you took this load from a broker, or if you took this load directly from a shipper, would you do what I did in order to save your customer and in order to make sure, I mean, the customer didn't pay me extra for all this, obviously. Now, customers know when you go above and beyond to make sure that you're there on time. Customers like this that we've been working with for 5, 7, 8 years, trust me, you know, people are knocking on their door every single day wanting to service them, especially right now in a downfall economy. And these manufacturing plants get knocked on the door every day. Somebody's trying to pitch them in order to use their trucking service. So we go above and beyond for our customers, and our customers go above and beyond for us. Now you have to understand, this is the time where, you know, people are sticking together, both shippers and carriers. And then just like we were with them 2 years ago and a year and a half when it was nearly impossible to get a truck, you know, we stuck with our customers. We didn't increase their rates significantly. There was minor increases, obviously, because there were things that are happening and there were uncontrollable things that are happening in the economy, but we did not increase the rate significantly to our customers. And now when they have the ball in their court, when hundreds of people are knocking on their doors. They're sticking with the carriers that were with them when it was very hard for them to find trucks. And trust me, they remember. And trust me when I say this, that we were going to remember when things get back to normal and as freight rates significantly go up, we will stick with our customers that stuck with us. So what do you guys think? Did we go above and beyond? Would you have done the same thing? I mean, the driver obviously was extremely irritated by the situation, by the fact that somebody else, you know, smashed into him. So for you guys out there, I'm sure we're not the only ones in this situation when the Connestogas get ripped or they need repairs. So if you are in need of a company to repair, or if you're looking to add or install a Connestoga system onto your flatbed, reach out to Verduyn Tarps. If you guys are interested in getting in touch with them, I've linked them down below, and I want to thank them publicly for all their help and support throughout the years. And I really want to thank them for the amazing service that they do for us and the help from this week. Hopefully you learned something from this video. I'm Ronen, and I'll catch you in my next video.